How to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable cookies on your Google Chrome in just few simple steps. So first things first, open up your Google Chrome on your PC, and then on the top right you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on it, and then scroll down and tap on settings. So once you're there, tap on privacy and security and scroll down and you'll see third party cookies. Tap on it, and then you just have to tick on allow third party cookies. If you tap on block, then it will block the cookies, and if you tap on allow, it will enable the cookies. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.